Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a game or sport you enjoy playing. You should say what kind of sport it is, who you play it with, where you play it, and explain why you enjoy playing it.
Sure, I can describe a sport that I enjoy playing. I really enjoy playing basketball. It is a team sport where two teams of 5 players each compete against each other to score points by shooting a ball through a hoop that is mounted 10 feet high on a backboard. I usually play basketball with my friends at the local park. We often organize pickup games where anyone can join in and play. It's a great way to stay active, have fun, and socialize with friends. What I love about basketball is that it is both physically and mentally challenging. It requires a lot of skill, strategy, and teamwork to succeed. I also love the feeling of shooting a basket and seeing the ball go through the hoop. It's a great sense of accomplishment. Basketball is also a great way to stay fit and healthy. It involves a lot of running, jumping, and quick movements, which can help improve cardiovascular health and build muscle strength. Overall, I enjoy playing basketball because it's a fun and challenging sport that allows me to stay active and socialize with friends. It's a great way to distress and have a good time while also improving my physical and mental health. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.